Morning students. Today we are starting with chapter 18, The Wizard of Oz 1. This is first part of the chapter and chapter 19 is its second part. Before starting with the chapter, let's understand meanings. Adventures is noun, means unusual and exciting journeys or experiences. Some journeys or some experiences are unusual, means they don't happen every day and they are also very exciting. Such adventures or journeys are known as adventures. The sailor had many adventures on his way to the island. When sailor was going to the island on his way, he had many adventures. Bold, adjective, having no hair on the head. When there is no hair on the head means bold. The bold man wore a cap to cover his head. One man was there, his head was bald, and to cover that head he wore a cap. Converse, verb, means to talk. Daniel can converse fluently in French and Spanish. To converse means to talk. So Daniel, he is a boy and he can speak fluently in French and Spanish. He can talk very well. Destroying, verb, damaging something or someone badly. If we damage somebody, some person or something very badly, that is destroying. The pests are destroying the crops. So when the crops are grown in a field, sometimes it happens so that pests get over there and they start destroying the crops. Dreadful, adjective, very bad or unpleasant. Something that is very bad is not pleasing. We don't like it is dreadful. It was a dreadful mistake to leave the door open. Means it was a very bad mistake that I left the door open. Exclaimed, verb, said something suddenly and loudly. When we say something very loudly and that too suddenly, then we exclaim. I am the winner, he exclaimed with joy after winning the race. Once the race was over, he means some boy, he exclaimed, means he said loudly that I am the winner. Fierce is adjective, means angry and aggressive in a frightening manner. If someone is very angry and very aggressive, then that person is fierce. The man gave such a fierce look that the child started crying. One man was there, he gave a very fierce look, means a very angry and aggressive look, that the child was afraid and child started crying. Fooled is verb, means tricked somebody into believing something that was not true. When we trick someone and we make them believe a thing which is not true, then we are fooling them. Rita has fooled her cousin into believing that there are ghosts in the old house. Rita made her cousin believe that in the old house there are ghosts. So Rita fooled her cousin. Good gracious is adjective. Here in the chapter, the meaning of these words is used for expressing surprise. So in the chapter, the words good gracious are used to express surprise. Good gracious, what beautiful flowers you have bought. Here good gracious means, oh wow, what beautiful flowers you have bought. Grieved is an adjective, means sad because of something unpleasant. When some unpleasant thing happens, means some such thing happens which we don't like, then at that time we become sad, means we are grieved. I cannot join you for the picnic, said Tom in a grieved tone. Tom, he told somebody that I cannot join you in the picnic, and at that time his tone, his voice was very grieved, means very sad. Guardian is noun, means a person who protects something or someone. A person who protects some person or something is guardian. The consent of your guardian is required for the outing. If you want to go for outing, you should bring consent, means permission of your guardian. Humbug is noun, means a person who intends to trick people. A person who keeps on tricking people is a humbug. The man was a humbug, he fooled everyone and disappeared. So some man was there. He was a humbug, means he used to fool others. He fooled everyone and then he disappeared. He went away. Melted. Melted is verb, means changed into liquid. If ice is there and we keep it outside the fridge, then what happens after few minutes or few hours, it melts down and it changes into liquid. The ice had melted by the time I switched on the refrigerator. When I switched on the refrigerator, till then the ice was melted. Overheard, verb, heard something by accident. We talked quietly so as not to be overheard. When two persons are talking and if someone hears them by accident, they overheard that person, those two persons. We talked quietly so as not to be overheard. We were talking very quietly, very slowly so that nobody could hear us. We couldn't be overheard. Promptly, adverb, means without delay. Mihir promptly replied to the email. Promptly means without delay, means very quickly. So Mihir very quickly replied to the email. Row, noun, a number of people or things in a line. We know in computer also you must be studying rows and columns, right? So a row, what is a row? Is a line of number of people or things. We planted the rose plants in a row. So we planted many rose plants and we planted them in a row, in a line. Ruined, verb, means severely destroyed. When something is really destroyed, is ruined. Vipul didn't want his reputation to be ruined because of a silly mistake. Vipul, he did not want that his reputation, his self-respect would get ruined because of silly mistake. Scarecrow is noun, means a figure made to look like a person put in a field to frighten birds. In field, you must have seen that a man-like figure is put in the middle of the field. Why is it so? So that birds will think that there is some person and they'll be frightened and they won't come into the field. The farmer put up a scarecrow to frighten the birds. The farmer put up a scarecrow. Why? Because he wanted to frighten the birds. He didn't want that birds would come and eat whatever crops he has grown. Tipped over is phrasal verb, means fell or turned over. When you fall down or you turned over, that is tipped over. The vase on the table tipped over and broke into pieces. One vase was there on the table. It tipped over, means it fell down and it broke into pieces. Whiskers is noun, here hair growing on a man's upper lip. The hair which grows on man's upper lip is known as whiskers. The man's whiskers had little drops of milk on them. There were little drops of milk on man's whisker. Wizard, wizard is noun, means a man with magical powers. A man who has magical powers is wizard. The wizard used his magical powers to do good things for the villagers. So wizard used his magical powers. Why? Because he wanted to do some good to the villagers. Then last is wrinkled, is an adjective, means having lines or folds in the skin. We know old people have wrinkles on their skin. My grandmother's face is wrinkled, but she still looks beautiful. My grandmother's face is wrinkly. She has lots of wrinkle on her face, but still she looks very beautiful. Now thesaurs. Thesaurs are the words which have similar meanings. So grieved is an adjective, means sad. The synonyms or words with similar meanings are lamented, mourned, saddened. Promptly means very quickly, is an adverb, and the words having similar meanings are hastily, immediately, quickly. Ruined, ruined is a verb, and words with similar meanings are wrecked, devastated, and smashed. Chapter 18, The Wizard of Oz 1. The sound of the letter V as in water. So the letter W, it sounds as V. How do we speak? Water. That sound you have to focus on when we go through the chapter. Now in the beginning a kind of puzzle is given which you can solve on your own because it is very easy. Dorothy has to reach the Emerald City to meet the Wizard of Oz, but she has lost her way. So help her to reach the city. On one side you can see Dorothy is standing and on the other side you can see Emerald City is shown. So you have to help her to reach the city. The Wonderful Wizard of Oz is a children's novel. The Wonderful Wizard of Oz is the title of a children's novel. Novel is a long story book. The story is about the adventures of a girl named Dorothy. In this story, there is one girl whose name is Dorothy, and whatever adventures she had done, all those are described in the story. She lives in a farmhouse in Kansas with her uncle, aunt and dog Toto. Where is she living? She is living in a farmhouse, and that farmhouse is in Kansas. She lives with her uncle, aunt and one dog named Toto. One day the farmhouse with Dorothy inside is caught in a cyclone and is deposited on a field in the land of Oz. So one day what happens? A cyclone comes and that cyclone catches Dorothy's farmhouse, and then her house is landed on a field in the land of Oz. The falling house killed the wicked witch of East. So in this chapter there are 4 witches, witches of East, West, North and South. When these house landed on that field, it killed the wicked witch of East. The good witch of North gives Dorothy's silver shoes. So witch of North is a good one. She is a good witch, which means she has magical powers. So she gave Dorothy silver shoes, magical shoes. Dorothy wants to return to Kansas. The good witch tells Dorothy to go to the Emerald City and seek the help of the Wizard of Oz. Dorothy wanted to go back to her place, that is Kansas. And so the witch tells her that you go to Emerald City and you take help of Wizard of Oz. On her way to the Emerald City, she meets 3 friends: the Scarecrow, who wants a brain, the Tin Woodman, who wants a heart, and the Lion, who wants courage. So when Dorothy was going to the Emerald City, at that time on her way she meets 3 friends: Scarecrow, Tin Woodman and Lion. Scarecrow wanted a brain, Tin Woodman he wanted a heart and Lion wanted courage. As friends they travel to the Emerald City for help. Soon they meet the Oz, however they are unable to see him in the beginning. So they all decided to go together to the city, to Oz, the Wizard of Oz, and seek his help. When they reached over there, they were unable to see Oz, but afterwards they were able to see him. Later when they see him, he agrees to help them only after they killed the wicked witch of the West. So when they told the Wizard of Oz that we want your help, he said that first you have to kill wicked witch of the West. Only then I'll help you. Dorothy along with her 3 friends struggles to put an end to the wicked witch of the West. They are successful in their attempt. Dorothy and her friends go to meet the Oz once again to tell him that they have kept their promise. So all of those, Dorothy, Scarecrow, Tin Woodman and Lion, all together they go and kill wicked witch of West. Then they again they went to Wizard of Oz, and now they wanted to tell him that we have done the work and now you will complete your promise. So what happens? The 4 travelers walked up to the great gate of Emerald City and rang the bell. After ringing several times, it was opened by the same guardian of the gates they had met before. So for the first time when they came to meet the Wizard of Oz, at that time they had met guardians who were standing near the gate. So what now they are doing is they all reached to the great gate of the Emerald City. They are ringing the bell, and after they rang it for several times, the guardians opened the gate. When he heard Dorothy had melted the wicked witch of the west, he was impressed. When the guardian came to know that Dorothy had killed that wicked witch of west, he was very impressed. Good gracious, exclaimed the man, and he bowed very low indeed before Dorothy. He is surprised, he says, good gracious, and then he bows down with respect. Then he led them into his little room and locked the spectacles from the box on all their eyes, just as he had done before. So here in Emerald City, there is one rule that everyone must wear green spectacles so that wherever they would see, they would find everything green. So this guardian, what is he doing? He took them into a little room and then he made them wear that green glasses. The soldier with the green whiskers was still on guard before the door, but he let them in at once, and they were again met by the beautiful green girl, who showed each of them to their old rooms at once, so they might rest until the great Oz was ready to receive them. So now what they are seeing, they saw a soldier, and that soldier, he had green whiskers, and he was still on guard, means he was doing his duty near the door, and he let them all go inside. Then one green beautiful girl, she came over there and she showed all of them their own rooms. She wanted them to rest until the great Oz would come and they would meet him. The soldier had the news carried straight to the Oz that Dorothy and other travelers had come back again after destroying the wicked witch. The Oz sent word for them to come to the throne room at 4 minutes after 9 o'clock the next morning. One soldier went to Oz and he told that Dorothy and her friends, they have killed that wicked witch and now they wanted to meet you. So Oz, he told that, okay, give my message to them that they should come tomorrow in the morning at 9 o'clock and 4 minutes past 9 o'clock at that time into the throne room. Promptly at 9 o'clock the next morning, the green whiskered soldier came to them, and 4 minutes later they all went into the throne room of the great Oz. So next morning, very quickly, they all went over there. One green whiskered soldier came and they all reached there at 9 o'clock. So as soon as 4 minutes past the 9 o'clock, a soldier came and he took all of them to the throne room. They were greatly surprised when they looked about and saw no one at all in the room. So as soon as all of them reached the room, they started looking everywhere, but they couldn't see anyone, and so they were very surprised. So we are keeping till here, and what happens next in the story, that we will find out in the next video. Thank you.